Your soft fly is going there. Yandra Minaka, everybody. Yandra, welcome to another episode of our holidays here in Fiji, in the Azores, at Paradise Cove Resort. Alright, so we had a great sleep. Did you sleep well? Bunty,
Yes,
did you sleep
like
well?
a baby.
Why? Did you snore?
Yeah, I don't know. Yes, not like a pig and walk like a grandma.
Well, you walk like a grandma,
Yeah.
so you covered up.
No, I don't know. But in Fiji, I'm just sleeping super good. I don't know.
Okay, come, we go have breakfast. Tosu boys. Good morning, dear Reef. Hey, Rasta Jerry, good morning. How are you? How are you? Slept well?
Yep.
Now.
Today is super warm. It's like there is
Sikoni, guys, Sikoni, coconut scone. Yeah, guys, we. Yeah. Tosu boys. Farewell, eh? Start turning gonna be Kaltala.
Local fish trading. Go salah kami go rapi. Jadi tu memang. Salah aku.
Nakapatid.
Naka. Guys, look at the pool beside our villa. It's so clean. Hey yo, to the diveshop boys, sorry that the food is not enough for everybody because there's a big crew there. I think more than 15 people.
But at
At least they tried, some guest food, which, like, in my days of working here, that would be, it's like winning a jackpot. Yeah, it is a jackpot. When I used to work here, when guests ordered pizza for us, man, it's like jackpot, man. Excuse me. So, yeah, Connie is going snorkeling at 9 o'clock. Yeah, we have a Sulu here. Paradise Cove Sulu Wakatonga for Simo in Germany. Yeah, Connie is going snorkeling, and this boy... Fish feeding. Yeah, snorkeling and fish feeding. But I will prepare our lines, fishing lines and baits. Because straight after snorkeling, I'll take Connie out on kayak for fishing, kayak fishing. So this is not an activity, it's just private. Not even private, it's just what we want to do. Yeah, I already asked the boys. Yeah, they're willing to help. Toso boys. Mamadal tayo kita le, unre. Eat people. Nabu.
Coba ngo ni mato ile buna lora na katala oke ma misa tavo na matakali ni po me be. What we? Se to rubo do do. No rin. Kumna sore tu mi gora bro.
Onum fada ka vimiko.
Ruben kanong guna vita. Tapaks. Ruben kanong guna vita.
Santin.
When you translated it like it to be like like it's just a poem like that, just Lubengo kanoguna.
Sula.
So silly. Ya Lubengo tu mainan jalan unang pala.
Niko sanavi.
Itu nga Lubengo. Oke me bisa ka. Me Lubengo kanoguna.
Untal Java madal tunong ko pa sumo. Kakana.
Na vale buna katalo bina ka ke mamisa.
Na vale buna biso vita.
Na vale buna bisita bina. Vita.
Da vita.
Mami sa maro vale buna diveshop. Sa musuni diveshop tu pa bina ka kakan tok katalo tok ni barta ka kum review ti biki ba. Eu mandanga obu.
Seberapa dari kanya nak kakana ba?
Iyo, sember.
Na kana.
Au nange nakakano kanya nange kana ali nangono ba nga ba ngoy na mado mingoy nange kana ali ni bimbiri kakana bimbiri
Oh, manda nakakana pa tayo kung kanya talang bongin ko.
Ngonga na materni partais do di tele partais ko kito meto ya ta tigin kita nangoni kita ngoni mi konua ngo ta pale mo passo
Yeah, guys, Connie is still in the water, feeding the fishes. Yeah, I just want to thank all those who have helped us on our Fiji trip. Firstly, my family back home at Jenny Road, Momosiko, Banaras. Some friends that we've met in Suva, the Airbnb which we stayed in, Waisale, Ioane, in Balawa, Lautoka. So guys, if you're looking for Airbnb, just hook this guy up, my OB, Waisale, Wais, from Brisbane or Sydney. Just check it out on Airbnb, Balawa, Lautoka, double story, White House. Where Kati, you can bring your family there, man. 2 master bedrooms. Check it out in the last few vlogs. And also in Suva, Gabi. Check out the Airbnb in what's the name of the street? Beside the Tamavua, the temple, the church. LDS church? Yeah, beside. You can check out Gabi. I will try to put a link on the description. Yeah, so I will wait for Gabby to send us a link. If no, you can check out her, you can just call her on her contact. Wait, I check. Go. 979-0666. 979-0666. 979-0666. Ogebi. Yeah, they are so friendly families. Airbnb, their house was so, you know, like it's more than a hotel. I would say more than a hotel. Hotel you pay more and you get less out of it, but this one you pay less, you get more. They have aircon inside and this hot weather, aircon sama malaka, and also washing machine. You can wash your dirty clothes there, hang it, and also big space. You know, like 2 bedrooms, cut. And yeah, also wise in the Lotoka, big space, washing machine. Yeah. So I'll go look for some bait. Then we go catch some fishes so that we do one tatavu manda. So boys. Okay guys, we are here at the beach with the dive shop team. So all the waters, all the debris from the cyclone like here, we normally bury it because it's so hard to clean the beach and to take it to the back. So this is the easiest way to do it.
This for the hurricane damaging in the beach, eh?
Rubbish from the hurricane.
Rubbish from everywhere in the ocean. So we try to hide it from the beach so that the guests come and see that it's look normal again for us and the guests, eh? So what we try to do now, no matter how hot it is. So this is the Christmas time. The kind of the weather in Christmas time is different from in the middle of the year, start of the year. It's really very hot. So we try to do our best. And this is the
So now we'll talk to Moro. Okay, exerang ko step takas ko na interview.
Wah, hindi ko sana ka-interview, bong hindi ko.
Interview take it.
Bong hindi ko sana ka-interview.
Iya. Kan dua, iyo. May. Pamadal tagi komanda. Introduce yourself.
Leave
the hole.
Weh, tahu dah baru.
Woi, tu baru lebih bete meon.
Tahu dah.
Boy. Small.
Selo.
Kind of weather we are facing now. So some of us can take.
Yeah.
So that's what we just do. Some of us watering wasting time. So try to dig it your whole your whole dig, eh? You can only fill in a hole.
Alright guys, we are here on our kayak. So this is VT. So that's the resort back there. So we're gonna try some kayak fishing here guys. Connie here. Some baits. And then let's go.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, pull it up. Hey, Connie finally caught another fish.
I think I'm the master in catching fishes.
Congratulations, my love. Beautiful fish.
Oh, another catch? Oh, 2.
Double.
Wow, amazing. Nice fish, huh? What's going on today, huh? It's like a jackpot. Nice.
We have a kakao, small coral carp.
But are that good fishes for eating?
Yeah, super.
Nice.
I have to be careful. These fishes are so
Dangerous?
sharp.
Sharp teeth. Yeah, happy. 3 fishes already. I mean, not a big one, but nice ones. Yeah? Okay, and this is my fish. Just see, just see, just see. This is my which I got today. Nice, huh? Beautiful, eh? Here you can see the teeth. Yeah, lekker. Hey, 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 this is jumping. This is aggressive. Another one. This one is aggressive.
Yeah, after the cyclone.
Nice. So 4th fish. Nice. That will be good dinner today. I also have bubbles here.
How was your fishing today?
Oh, nice. We caught 6 fish. Not the big ones, but at least
Good size for eating.
Yeah, yeah. So different ones. So would like to go later again for some more fishing.
Yeah, after, I think, are you going snorkeling? Eh? Yeah, after snorkeling. When you
After
come back here, I'll wait for you.
And then we go for another round.
Yeah, guys, we'll try to catch some more, and so that later we can cook it in the fire. Charcoal, grab some lemon and chili, cassava from the kitchen. Yeah, and like picnic, like Fijian style. Because today is our last whole day. Yeah. Tomorrow we don't have time. Connie is going for mountain hiking. We don't have time. I'm so dark. Oh, now I'm white. Yeah. Look at the weather. Yeah. Beautiful. Naka.
Enjoy the pizza, right?
Thank you.
Yung daw pizza may maruti ka o napikta ka o nagikot pa.
Oh, yeah, okay. So
Ikaw ba kan? Kan? Na. Eh? So. Na masuk meat lovers, man.
I think, like yesterday.
Dessert time before snorkeling. So Connie is going for snorkeling. Josh, how are you today?
Good.
Good. What did you have for lunch?
I had seafood lobster.
Wait. Dal. Okay guys, we are here again out fishing. So we bought some tapioca, some things for picnic. So from here we'll go like the fire and cook the fish which we've caught in the morning. So we're just trying to catch some more fish before we go.
But it seems that
Yeah, it's not biting yet. Maybe because of the tide, the current. So we'll be just be patient.
And if we don't catch anything, then we just leave it.
As long as we are enjoying this great hobby, man. My line is stuck in the coral. Alright guys, so now we're preparing the fire. Hitting some flat stone where we're gonna cook the fish. So Meme there is cleaning the fish. So we did not catch anything else. So it's just the fish which Connie caught last 2 days. This is what we caught today. Yeah, that is enough for everyone. So here we have white tom, white tunu, salt water, chili. Now we want to add some molly, and we have a little bit of salt here. Whoever needs the salt, but otherwise we already have the salt from the seawater. Can't wait, man, can't wait.
So guys, yeah, this is our picnic. So you can see there's some fish. It's like grilling it, huh?
Cooked in charcoal, yeah?
Yeah.
Cook in open fire. Go.
And then you put them into the...
Yeah.
Okay.
You can move the thing closer. So fish is fast to cook.
So this fish is ready?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fast.
That's how you do it. This is what our ancestors used to do. Now we are also doing it.
Yeah.
Also to show Connie's family.
How we are doing Fijian barbecue, huh?
Yeah.
You do not need a griller, just do it like open fire, that's it. But the thing is, we cannot do that in Germany.
Big one. The other side is already cooked. Just have to turn it. A bit more. Hey Manny, on. Corre. Tu sale tanto menos máximo banco. ¿Qué te le wait to? You can dish yours here. Like some soup, some.
You first, you first.
You dish so that we'll eat here with the. We'll do the Fijian
So how
way.
should I do it? Just
Like,
pick
just
one.
take the meat. Okay, untuk saksakan sih nak naik ke. Tapi tangan aja kini orang rasa.
I will just try.
Then here soup.
Soup, give me some soup. Thank you.
Fa meme. Okay, taste manda.
Taste. Food taster.
Make sure use your tongue to check if there's bone or no.
Yeah.
We don't want to call the helicopter from here.
The ambulance.
Apa? Tapioca. You should eat it with tapioca. Let's dive in. Leway nga verto ni kuang. Putu. Ah. Tapioca. Kana tawag eh? Iya. Posisi lah. Kandua, this is a foundation for grog tonight. Waruai, wala kalak materi. Buka. Bal cekin tunaon o lima. Matangwan we guru also tu sang talamo de.
Chili. Hot?
Tum. Sabanangon. What a way to end our day here at Paradise Cove. Thanks to Meme, to Bongana here. For making this fishing trip successful. Deben rock away like lako. Ni ko ngore ni kwento tala. How's it? Yeah? Just eat slowly. Try the soup. Like it? Yeah, just a little bit to make your mouth wet. Tutok. I'm sandeng eh? Okay guys, we are heading back to the resort now. Actually, it's after 6. Yeah. So it's 6:15. This is little bit, we are breaking the rule for sure. Alfie, Joe, don't be angry. Yeah. No, the management, my OB won't be angry. This is our last day, so you know. Everything is allowed. The kayak, which I mean breaking the rule, because the kayak has to be back before 5.
Oh, that's not.
So Curly Bill here will be our cameraman for tonight. We finished the picnic, so Curly Bill will take you into the night snorkeling. So you're going snorkeling in the night using torch. You can see some sharks there, stingray. So bye here. Look at his face. He will be the cameraman for tonight.
She running over here. Untilolo, eh? Tigray.
Okay guys, we are heading for dinner now with our kalabata. Our last night here at Paradise Cove.
Papa wanted to wear kalabata.
I told Connie, let's wear a kalabata. This is our last night here. Yeah. So we are just using the phone now because Kedli Bill Mbai is out night snorkeling using our GoPro. Come, let's go have some dinner and some kava. Those are boys.
But I want to have some spray. I cannot hold my legs anymore.
So this is Connie's soup. What's your soup?
Chicken corn.
Chicken corn. Oh, nice.
You want to try?
Yeah, guys, by here, Kedli Bill, he was a cameraman. Padalo po nox, lem
Eh, guanti,
Cuba.
guanti no.
Guanti.
Quanti dalla bina? Quanti no.
Bambula sar singa mo kwa eh.
Sama no katu busara. Paradise Cove. Pambutel mesa sama ka.
So Kedli Bill was our cameraman for the night snorkeling. So this is my dinner. I asked him what you want to eat. He said curry, chicken curry. So this is the guest food, my dinner. I'm not eating dinner, so I gave it to him.
Bibi asota bibi na saranga na snorkeling ba imbo ngawan. Katsi na saranga. Gayo dalang ko to na tuwe. Pangaso. Kailan ko obat.
Stava carne, begini itu. Tahu kisi waktu kita mendota.
Eh, napa pinambot ni no. Iyo, ko taba nguba lips. Pambula sa robe ko, ano mo ngandi?
Kalau binang di
Arapea, sar tu mi arapea.
oh honeymoon beach. Bila tahu ngadi bain.
Okay, fa, drotso.
Set.
Iyo, sa uli kapategi ko to na lang sir. Set.
No vale tadi minggu.
Padre tayo mo dubiyaw.
Never
Wait for 100 years.